San Diego Emergency Dispatch 8948. You need police, fire, or paramedics.
Right here! Right now!
Status of the emergency.
Man, in a car right at 5490 La Jolla Boulevard and Midway. He's blocking traffic. He's standing outside the car with a knife and yelling. It looks like it's a silver Toyota with an Arizona license plate.
Stay on the line with me. So he's threatening anyone specific with that knife?
Not anyone specifically. This is right at the traffic circle, so he is stopping traffic right here at La Jolla Boulevard and Midway.
That's block northbound. Yeah, block right here.
Put the knife down.
Pull him out.
Put the knife down.
All right, let's do it.
Drop the knife, dude.
Right now.
Drop the knife.
Right now. You gotta be kidding right now. You gotta be kidding with me.
Drop the knife.
You gotta.
Hey, do me a favor, turn around. Turn around. Turn away from the knife.
Get away from the knife.
Get away. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Turn on your back.
Turn it on your back. Turn it on your back.
On your stomach. That's block northbound. Yeah, block right here.
Pull him out.
Nope.
Pull him out.
Put the knife down.
All right, let's do it.
One at gunpoint. Hey, drop it. Drop the fucking knife.
You gotta be kidding
Drop
right
the
now.
fucking knife.
You gotta be kidding right
Drop,
now.
please. Drop the fucking knife.
You gotta be kidding right now.
Drop the fucking
You gotta
knife.
be kidding with me right now.
Drop the fucking knife,
You
dude.
gotta.
24 King, shots fired. Suspect is down. Hey, do me a favor, turn around. Turn around. Turn around from the knife. Turn on. Get away. There you go. There you go. Turn on your back. Turn on your stomach. On your stomach. On your stomach. Hands out. Hands out to your side. There you go. Nope.
Pull him out.
Put the knife down.
All right, let's do it.
One at gunpoint. Hey, drop it. Drop.